Hey everyone, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel, The English Class with Neha Juneja. And in today's video, we are going to learn chapter number 7 from the book Moments of class 9th, and the name of the chapter is The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. My dear viewers, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon right next to it for further notifications. The Last Leaf. It is written by O. Henry. William Sidney Porter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, was an American short story writer. His stories are known for its surprise endings. Introduction. The Last Leaf is a story of supreme sacrifice by an old artist. A girl called Jonesy is depressed and feels that she will die as soon as the last leaf on ivy would fall. The old artist, Behrman, wants to save her. He goes out on a rainy night and paints a leaf on the ivy tree. Seeing this leaf the next day, Jonesy regains interest in life and lives. But poor Behrman dies of pneumonia. It is a story of great sacrifice. Now, characters. Number 1 is Sue. She is an artist who shares a small flat with her friend. She helps her friend in getting well. She sought the help of Behrman to solve the issue. She is a true friend of Jonesy. Second is Jonesy. Jonesy was ill. She was under depression. She was a young artist who lived with her friend Sue. She was a weak-hearted woman, and her foolish attitude led to the death of Behrman. Number 3, Behrman. Behrman was a 60-year-old painter. He lived on the ground floor of the house where Sue and Jonesy lived. He had been thinking of painting a masterpiece. He saved the life of Jonesy, and he was a great soul. Now, the detailed summary. Before starting the detailed summary, there is a word ivy creeper that will come again and again in the summary. It means it's a species of flowering plant in the grape family. Two friends, Sue and Jonesy. Sue and Jonesy were two friends who live in a small flat on the 3rd floor of an old building. They are artists and make paintings for living. Once, Jonesy fell ill with pneumonia. She keeps looking out of the window while lying on the bed. She thinks that she is going to die. The doctor's visit. Although the doctor comes every day, but the condition of Jonesy does not change. One day, the doctor asks Sue if anything is bothering Jonesy. The doctor tells her that it is difficult for Jonesy to get well as she has made up her mind that she will not get well. He also tells her that in this case the medicines will not help her. Sue tries to involve Jonesy in other things. Sue tries her best to make Jonesy interested in things. She talks about clothes and fashion, but Jonesy does not respond. She brings a drawing board in her room and starts to paint, but Jonesy does not look at her. She also starts whistling while working, but Jonesy just does not notice and keeps lying still looking outside the window. Jonesy's strange belief. While trying to get Jonesy's attention, Sue notices that she is counting backwards. She comes to know that Jonesy is counting the remaining leaves that are on the ivy creeper outside the window. Jonesy tells her that the leaves are falling rapidly in the autumn season. She also informs her that she would die once the last leaf falls from the creeper. Sue tries to convince Jonesy. Sue tries to convince Jonesy that she is foolish in thinking that she would die with the falling of the last leaf of the ivy creeper. She even lies to her that the doctor is confident that she would get well soon. But Jonesy does not change her mind and keeps on counting the remaining leaves on the creeper. Bearman arrives at their flat. A neighbor named Bearman arrives at their home. He gets to know about Jonesy's condition and sees that there is only one leaf remaining on the creeper, which could fall any time. He goes back to his house and paints a leaf that looks identical to the creeper's leaf and sticks it on the creeper while Jonesy is sleeping. In the process of doing so, he gets wet as it is raining heavily and it was icy cold. He falls sick and gets pneumonia. Jonesy starts getting well. Jonesy keeps looking out of the window and notices that the last leaf is not falling. Even wind and the rain do not make the leaf fall. She realizes that she was wrong in supposing that she would die with the falling of the last leaf and starts getting well. Bearman painted the masterpiece. When Jonesy gets well, Sue tells her the mystery of the last leaf. She informs her that she has got well due to the efforts of Bearman, and Bearman, looking at Jonesy's condition, did a wonderful thing. He painted a similar leaf of ivy creeper, used a lantern and ladder and pasted it on ivy creeper. It was raining heavily and he got wet completely. He was struck with pneumonia and died after 2 days. Bearman had painted a masterpiece, a leaf that looked identical to the leaf on the ivy creeper, and in the process of helping her, he had fallen ill and died. Message. The message of the story is this, that the spirit of sacrifice we need to have in our life. And we should have a positive attitude in life, and our thinking affects the life of other people too. Thank you.